So I wanted to show something super quick because this is being us dog fooding, self-feeding CI on the NX repo. And so I can show you some actual real case of fixing my work. So basically here, what I did is I currently work on a bunch of AI related documentation. And so what happened here is I updated a bunch of docs, and at the end I was like, one of my last comments actually is like, hey, let me just refactor this concept page which doesn't make any sense and split it up into multiple guides. And so I pushed that, and that one failed. Now, interestingly though, is without any instructions on my end, how the new docs page even works. I got here a comment from Nextcloud from the self-healing CI part, which ran this Astro docs validate links. So we actually have a task that validates links in the Astro docs to make sure they're actually correct. And so they were obviously run on CI, and that specifically failed because those links didn't hold anymore because I moved around pages and actually removed a bunch of pages. And so here you can see AI, basically self-healing CI, running this task, seeing it fail, inspecting the logs, seeing my changes, and then it went and actually updated the PR with this fix. So let me actually jump into the cloud dashboard, which has a bit more of a richer diff viewer here. Let me actually close this. You can see there's 2 documents that are being updated, but in here you can nicely see that here there was still the old concept CI concept page, which now got moved into an actual feature for the self-healing. So it correctly updated that one here because I had a redirect rule that now just redirects people to this new one. So it updated this one. But more interestingly also here, it updated some of these enable Nextcloud AI features to the new guide page, which I created. Because I literally split up this one here to this new guide page so people can go there rather than having some weird concept page. And it correctly picked this one up. So this has not been configured to automatically apply. I actually just have an RPR up to do that. So I can just go ahead and just apply that. And so if I hit this, it here proposed this commit message, which is actually correct. So it says fix, update, broken documentation links to AI features. The only thing I could update here is say fix Nextcloud. And so I apply these changes. Now as you can see, this is applied. And so if I jump over now to my PR, go to the very top here. This was a long one. Jump in here. You can now see there's a new comment coming in that says Nextcloud, update broken documentation links to AI features. And this now runs through. So I also did an immediate follow-up to this one here on the repo here for NX, which enables this Astro docs validate links check to be auto-fixed. So if you look at the changes here super quick, what that means is the start CI run has a flag that is called auto apply fixes. And so I added here Astro-docs validate links. This is the task that had failed before. And so add that in, meaning that whenever in the future the self-healing CI finds a failed task that is this one and corresponds to one of these flags that I passed just in, it will go through and automatically push that to my PR. So I don't even have to go and look at that and approve it. Obviously could if I wanted to. But the thing is, like, whenever we run into some of these, we actually run a verification phase as well. So we run the task, the proposal basically that the AI gives us to fix the broken PR. We run an additional verification step. And if that one passes, meaning the CI passes now with the new fix, we are pretty sure that actual fix works. And so in this case here, since this is just updating links, it is also pretty low risk, and I don't even want to be bothered basically. And so I can just like instruct self-healing CI to just push them directly to my PR because I can still obviously review that one, but I have pretty high certainty that it will then pass afterwards.